Good morning, students. Welcome you all in Rishikul online classes. As you know that we have already started our second chapter from Beehive book, The Sound of Music, Part 1. Evelyn Glennie listened to sound without hearing it. So student, as you know that we have already discussed that how Evelyn Glennie reached right to the top and became the world's most sought after multi-percussionist with a mastery of some 1,000 instruments. Let's student see the next stanza. Evelyn confesses that she is something of a workaholic. I have just got to work often harder than classical musician, but the rewards are enormous. Apart from the regular concert, Evelyn also gives free concert in prison and hospitals. She also gives high priority to classes for young musicians. Anne Richlin of the Beethoven Fund for Deaf Children says she is a shining inspiration for deaf children. They see that there is nowhere that they cannot go. First, look at the word meaning. Workaholic means a person who finds it difficult to stop working. Enormous means huge, very big. Priority means great importance. So student, in this stanza, Evelyn admits that she is something of a workaholic, means a person who finds it difficult to stop working. She says that she works hard, even harder than the classical musician, but in result of this, she got huge rewards also. She gives regular concert solo performances, but in addition to this, she does charity also. She gives free concert, or you can say show, in prison and hospitals. She gives classes for young musicians and she gives priority to them. Anne Richlin from Beethoven Fund for Deaf Children says that she is a shining inspiration for deaf children. After getting knowledge about her life, the other disabled person get motivated that nothing is impossible. If she can do, they can also achieve their goal. So she became a great inspiration and idol for others. Let's see the next stanza. Evelyn Glennie has already accomplished more than most people twice her age. She has brought percussion to the front of the orchestra and demonstrated that it can be very moving. She has given inspiration to those who are handicapped, people who look to her and say, if she can do it, I can. And not the least, she has given enormous pleasure to millions. So student, she has got achievement in her life more than other people of his age can get. She has brought percussion, means musical instrument like tabla etc. at the front of the performing group. Before that it put behind the player or the stage. She has become idol for those who are handicapped. People get inspiration and motivation from her life. They say that if she can do it, they can also perform any task. And in addition to this, she delighted the audience with her music also. She gave a huge pleasure to the people who So this is all about your part 1. Thank you all.